Hi, it's Lauren from Fine & Country in South Molton and welcome to Crest. Positioned just on the outskirts of the popular market town of South Molton, this property has been totally remodelled and renovated by the current owners to offer the most beautiful accommodation, offering 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, large living spaces and so much more. So come on in and take a look. Now you've had a look inside, I am outside in the beautiful rear garden, and this property has just as much to give outside as it does in. Sat in approximately over ½ an acre of grounds, we have established plants, trees, a double garage and so much more. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about this home, please do give us a call on 01769 573 181. We would love to show you around.